Most investors spend their entire careers chasing the market, buying high, selling low, and hoping this year is finally the year everything clicks. But there is a different way, a systematic way, one that turns your portfolio into something closer to a machine than a gamble. That machine generates $10,000 a month or more in predictable, repeatable income. And it has nothing to do with stock picking, timing the market, or getting lucky. By the way, if we haven't met, I am Mark's digital avatar. I'm not perfect, but I'm here to make sure that you keep getting the latest information. While Mark is working on the next important concept for us and teaching and working with clients and students. Mark supervises me and answers every comment personally. Okay, back to the video. Here is the uncomfortable truth about most investment portfolios. They are built for appreciation, not income. Someone works for 30 years, accumulates a significant nest egg, and then their financial advisor tells them to draw down 4% a year and hope the market cooperates. That is not a system, that is a prayer. And for the investor with $500,000, $1 million, $2 million, the stakes are different. You cannot afford to lose a third of your portfolio in a bear market and then spend 5 years waiting to get it back. Not when you are living on that capital. So what is the alternative? What do the sophisticated investors, the ones who stay calm when the market gets noisy, actually do differently? The cash flow machine is a systematic covered call strategy. But let me be precise about what I mean by that, because covered calls get misrepresented constantly. A covered call is not a gamble. It is not a speculation. It is a structured agreement where you own shares of a stock, good, solid, liquid stocks, and you sell someone the right to buy those shares from you at a higher price for a specific window of time. In exchange for selling that right, you collect premium, cash, every single week. Think of it this way. If you own real estate, you can collect rent. The property keeps appreciating or holding its value. And in the meantime, the tenant pays you every month. Covered calls work on the same principle. Your stocks are the property. The premium you collect is the rent. Now here is where the cash flow machine framework goes further than most option strategies you may have seen. We are not just selling random calls on random stocks. We are applying a repeatable, tested system with 3 distinct strategies depending on your risk tolerance and income goals. The Fortress strategy is for the investor whose number one priority is protecting what they have built. Conservative strikes, maximum stability. The Balance Point is our core strategy, targeting 2 to 3% monthly. And Rocket is for the investor who wants to maximize upside participation while still collecting premium income. That is 24 to 36% annualized, without predicting market direction. Most investors make decisions based on how they feel. When the market is up, they feel confident, they buy more. When the market drops, they feel scared, they sell. This is the cycle that destroys wealth. The cash flow machine removes emotion from the equation. Every decision is governed by a rule set, not a gut feeling. When you have $1 million portfolio and the market drops, you need a system. The systematic investor looks at that drop and says, volatility is up. This is actually one of the best weeks to sell covered calls. That is structure, not luck. Let me make this concrete. You have a portfolio of $500,000. At our balance point target, that is $10,000 a month, $120,000 per year, generated systematically regardless of whether the market goes up or down. At 1 million, you are looking at 20,000. And this is not theoretical. These are the results our students are working toward every week in real brokerage accounts using this exact framework. Now, does this mean you pocket every dollar and ignore everything else? Not exactly. The system includes position management and protection strategies. In 45 years, I have seen the same 3 obstacles show up again and again when someone tries to implement a systematic strategy alone. First, fear of complexity. Options sound intimidating. Second, tactics without a system. Most investors get burned when something rolls wrong. They did not have a machine. Third, missing the discipline layer. You can understand the strategy and still blow up your account if you let emotion override your rules. The OEFX framework solves this. If what you have heard today resonates, If you are looking at your portfolio and thinking, this is the income structure I have been missing, then go deeper. The Cashflow Machine Elite program is where we take everything you just heard and turn it into a complete step-by-step implementation system. You will learn strike selection rules, position sizing. The link is in the description below this video. Click it, take a look, and see if this is right for you. No high-pressure sales, built by investors for investors. And if you're not quite ready, hit subscribe, because every week we publish specific, practical content for the investor who wants results, not entertainment. I am Mark's avatar. Mark will see you in the comments personally. We will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.
The information you just heard is for education and information. This is not financial advice.